Hello students, in previous lecture we studied stoichiometric point defects and its four types, which are vacancy defect, self-interstitial defect in elemental solid, Schottky defect and Franklin defect. Today we have to study the second type of point defect, which is impurity defect. Now let us study impurity defect. This defect arises when foreign atoms are present in the crystal lattice. Foreign atoms means atoms different from the host atoms. Thus, when foreign atoms or impurity is present in the crystal lattice, defect is obtained called as impurity defect. There are two kinds of impurity defects: substitutional impurity defect and interstitial impurity defect. We discuss this one by one. Now first one is substitutional impurity defect. Substitution means replacement or displacement. In this defect, some regular atoms are displaced from their lattice sites by impurity atoms. It means the foreign atoms are found at the lattice sites in place of host atoms. For example, solid solution of metals, that is alloys. We know that alloy is a mixture of two or more metals, or it is a mixture of metal and non-metals. In brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. In brass, host atoms are copper atoms. These copper atoms are replaced by impurity of zinc atoms. That is, impurity atoms or foreign atoms of zinc occupy regular sites of copper atoms as shown in figure. Vacancy through alloy-valent impurity also causes substitutional impurity defect. Alloy-valent ions are nothing but the ions with oxidation state different from that of host ions. Vacancies are created by the addition of impurities of alloy-valent ions. Here, host ions are replaced by alloy-valent ions, that is foreign ions. Then vacancy is created in crystal lattice and it is called vacancy through alloy-valent impurity. For example, during crystallization of sodium chloride, which contains Na plus ions and Cl minus ions, small amount of strontium chloride SrCl2 impurity is added. The added Sr2 plus ions occupy some regular site of Na plus host ions. One strontium ion replaces two sodium ions because one strontium ion acquires two positive charges while one sodium ion acquires one positive charge. Here, electrical neutrality is maintained. Therefore, one of the vacant lattice sites created by removal of two Na plus ions, which is occupied by only one Sr2 plus ion. Thus, vacancy is created through alloy-valent impurity. Now, we discuss second type of impurity defect, which is interstitial impurity defect. Interstitial means empty space. In this defect, the foreign atoms or impurity atoms occupy the empty space, that is interstitial spaces of lattice structure. For example, steel. Steel is a mixture of iron and carbon. In steel, iron atoms occupy normal lattice sites while carbon atoms are present at interstitial spaces as shown in figure. It is called as interstitial impurity defect. Next to this, we discuss the third type of point defect, which is non-stoichiometric defect. This type of defect arises when the ratio of number of atoms of one kind to that of other kind is different to that of its chemical formula. That means the ratio of number of cations to anions becomes different from that indicated by its chemical formula. In short, stoichiometry of the compound is changed. Therefore, it is called as non-stoichiometric defect. Students, you have to remember one important thing is that the change in stoichiometry does not cause any change in crystal structure. Now, there are two types of non-stoichiometric defects: metal deficiency defect and metal excess defect. Now, first we discuss metal deficiency defect. This defect is possible only in compounds of metals that show variable oxidation states. That is, metals which show more than one oxidation states, then their compounds possess metal deficiency defects. In some crystals, positive metal ions are missing or absent from their original lattice sites. There are negative charge which becomes extra than positive charge. This extra negative charge is balanced by the presence of cation of the same metal with higher oxidation state than that of missing cation. At that time, vacancies are created. For example, in the compound iron oxide, that is FeO, where oxidation state of Fe is +2 and its formula ratio is 1:1. From FeO lattice, some Fe2 plus ions are missing. If that Fe2 plus ions are missing, then extra negative charges are formed in crystal lattice. And these are further balanced by addition of Fe3 plus ions. That means metal ion of same metal with higher oxidation state. But if 3 Fe2 plus ions are missing from the lattice, which are balanced by addition of 2 Fe3 plus ions. That means 3 Fe2 plus ions are replaced by 2 Fe3 plus ions to maintain electrical neutrality. But at that time, vacancy is created, that is metal Fe ions means cation of Fe are less than anions of oxygen. Therefore, it is metal deficiency defect and its formula becomes Fe 0.95O1, means formula ratio is 0.95:1, hence it is non-stoichiometric defect. Now we discuss about second type of non-stoichiometric defect, which is metal excess defect. This defect arises by two ways. In first way, a neutral atom or an extra positive ion occupies interstitial position or space. This can be explained by taking example of zinc oxide. Zinc oxide presents two ways of metal excess defect. In first case, in zinc oxide lattice, one extra zinc atom is present in interstitial space as shown in figure. Due to this extra neutral zinc atom which occupies interstitial position, defect is obtained called as metal excess defect. In second case, when zinc oxide is heated, colorless or white powdered zinc oxide turns to yellow color. On heating, zinc oxide decomposes as Zn2 plus half O2 plus 2 electrons. The excess Zn2 plus ions are trapped in interstitial site in the lattice. The electrons also trapped in interstitial site in the lattice as shown in figure. Electrical neutrality is maintained here, but extra Zn2 plus ions are there, which arises metal excess defect. In both cases, zinc atom and Zn2 plus ions are trapped into the interstitial site of zinc oxide lattice. Therefore, formula of zinc oxide becomes Zn1 plus X O1, which is non-stoichiometric. In second way, metal excess defect arises by anion vacancies or color, or also known as F centers. In this case, anion is missing from its original regular crystal lattice and creates vacancy. This vacancy is occupied by electron to maintain electrical neutrality as shown in figure. The anion vacant sites occupied by electrons are F centers or color centers. These F centers imparts color to colorless compounds. For example, sodium chloride, which is white in color. On heating, it shows yellow color due to the formation of F center. When sodium chloride crystal is heated in the atmosphere of sodium vapor, then sodium atoms are deposited on crystal surface. Cl- ions diffuse, creating vacancies at regular sites. Thus, sodium atom plus Cl- ion gives sodium chloride and plus electron. The electrons released get diffused into the crystal and occupy vacant sites of anions as shown in figure. The anion vacant sites occupied by electrons are F centers. The crystal of sodium chloride has excess sodium and formula of NaCl becomes Na1 plus X Cl1, which is non-stoichiometric. Students, classification or types of defects are summarized in the given chart. Look at this chart. From the chart, it is clear that defects or imperfections are mainly classified into three classes. First one is point defects, second line defect, and third one is plane defects. Further, point defects are classified into three classes: stoichiometric point defects, impurity defects, and non-stoichiometric point defects. These stoichiometric point defects are further classified into four types. First one is vacancy defects, second self-interstitial defect, third Schottky defect, and fourth one is Frankel defect. Impurity defects are of again two types: substitutional impurity defect and interstitial impurity defect. Next to this, non-stoichiometric point defects are of again two types: metal deficiency defect and metal excess defect. You observe this chart and learn it well. Thank you.